the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority as well as the member regulation, enforcement, and arbitration operations of the New York Stock Exchange. The U.S. government agency which acts as the ultimate regulator of the U.S. securities industry, including FINRA, is the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority is the largest independent regulator for all securities firms doing business in the United States. FINRA's mission is to protect investors by making sure the United States securities industry operates fairly and honestly. In December 2019, FINRA oversaw 3,517 brokerage firms, 153,907 branch offices and approximately 624,674 registered securities representatives. FINRA has approximately 3,400 employees and operates from Washington, D.C. and New York City, with 20 regional offices around the United States. FINRA offers regulatory oversight over all securities firms that do business with the public, plus those offering professional training, testing, and licensing of registered persons, arbitration and mediation, market regulation by contract for the New York Stock Exchange, the Nasdaq Stock Market, Inc., the American Stock Exchange LLC, and the International Securities Exchange, LLC, and industry utilities, such as trade reporting facilities and other over-the-counter operations. FINRA was formed by a consolidation of the member regulation, enforcement, and arbitration operations of the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE Regulation, Inc., and NASD. The merger was approved by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission on July 26, 2007. The NASD was founded in 1939 and was registered with the SEC in response to the 1938 Maloney Act, amendments to the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, which allowed it to supervise the conduct of its members subject to the oversight of the SEC. In 1971, NASD launched a new computerized stock trading system called the National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotation Stock Market. The NYSE and Amex stock exchanges merged in 1998. 2 years later, the Nasdaq underwent a major recapitalization and became an independent entity from NASD. In July 2007, the SEC approved the formation of a new SRO to be a successor to NASD. The NASD and the member regulation, enforcement and arbitration functions of the New York Stock Exchange were then consolidated into the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. The FINRA bylaws provide that the FINRA board must consist of the Chief Executive Officer of FINRA, the Chief Executive Officer of NYSE Regulation, 11 public governors, and 10 industry governors, including a flow member governor, an independent dealer insurance affiliate governor, an investment company affiliate governor, 3 small firm governors, 1 mid-size firm governor, and 3 large firm governors. The small firm governors, mid-size firm governor, and large firm governors are elected by members of FINRA according to their classification as a small firm, mid-size firm, or large firm. FINRA regulates trading in equities, corporate bonds, securities futures, and options. All firms dealing in securities that are not regulated by another SRO, such as by the Municipal Securities Rulemaking Board, are required to be member firms of the FINRA. As part of its regulatory authority, FINRA periodically conducts regulatory exams of its regulated institutions. FINRA recently released its 10th Annual Regulatory and Examinations Priorities Letter for 2015, which impacts broker-dealers as well as their affiliated insurance companies and banks. In its Regulatory and Examinations Priorities Letter for 2015, FINRA has identified variable annuities as a significant area of focus for exams in 2015 and has pointed out particular elements of sales practices that will be reviewed. FINRA licenses individuals and admits firms to the industry, writes rules to govern their behavior, examines them for regulatory compliance, and is sanctioned by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, NASD. The predecessor of FINRA, founded the Nasdaq stock market in 1971. In 2006, NASD demutualized from Nasdaq by selling its ownership interest. The NASD, later FINRA, publishes much educational information for the public and has been publishing and disclosing the education and exam requirements for USA-based credentials, charters, designations and certifications that are offered by SROs for about a decade. In 2017, Reuters published a report that showed a significant percentage of brokers with multiple disclosures on their record worked at 48 firms. FINRA could make this list of brokers with unusually high numbers of brokers with multiple disclosures searchable. But they refuse, arguing that hiring brokers with broker check disclosures is not illegal. When a March 2020 study revealed that FINRA approves 84% of requests for expungement of broker check disclosures, Senator Elizabeth Warren addressed FINRA in a letter, stating, "The study suggests that FIN